Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Target beauty box unboxing. I got the holiday box. If you're not familiar with this box, it is only $7. You don't have to pay for shipping and it's totally worth it. Okay, so opening up the box, the card here says Hello Hydration. On the back, it talks about all the products that are in the box, and then there's a coupon for $3 off, which I always forget to use. Okay, first thing in the box is from Lumine. This is the Lumine Valo Overnight Cream. It says potent combination of vitamins, extracts, and hyaluronic acid boosts skin's radiance overnight, so you wake up to a softer, brighter looking complexion. Well, that's what that looks like. I feel like I've heard of this brand before, but I've never tried it. Ooh, it smells citrusy. Itty bitty thing from L'Oreal. This says Hydra Genius for normal to dry skin. What is this? This is a moisturizer. Aloe water and hyaluronic acid provide 72 hours of intense and continuous hydration so skin is fresh and glowing. Okay, next we have something from Bliss. This is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all day moisture. Lightweight cream to water hydrator surges skin with over 10,000 marine micro droplets for intense hydration and an improved moisture barrier within 4 weeks. I'm excited to try this. I have tried a bunch of Bliss products lately and I really like this brand. So I'm super excited to try this. This really is Hello Hydration. It's exactly what I need right now, actually. So that's what that looks like. I'm excited to try this. Oh. Ooh, it smells really good. Something from Aquaphor. This is the Immediate Relief Lip Repair. Nourishing vitamins, shea butter, and chamomile essence help relieve dryness quickly and soothe chapped lips, providing long-lasting moisture for a perfectly smooth pout. I've tried Aquaphor, like lotions and stuff, but I've never tried their lip repair. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is from Hask. This is the Coconut Oil Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. Rich blend of hydrating oils. Protect hair against damage, leaving frayed ends tangle-free and limp locks lush. Limp locks lush. Yes, I really want to smell this. I have tried their, ooh, this sticker is not coming off. I've tried their dry shampoo, and I think it's the coconut oil dry shampoo, and I wasn't really a fan of it. So I'm anxious to try this. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells like Smarties. Like, I don't smell coconut oil. Oop, there's a bubble. At all. So this is probably one of my favorite Target boxes. This was definitely worth $7. I'm super excited for the shampoo and conditioner. It smells amazing. I'm excited to try this moisturizer. I'd never heard of this before. So we'll see. I'm excited to try this. I know that this is going to be amazing because all Aquaphor products are really great. Really excited to try this because, like I said, I have tried a bunch of Bliss products lately and I really like them. And then this guy too, although I bet this guy is going to be expensive if I do like it. I feel like this is an expensive brand. Lumine or Lumeni. Am I even saying that right? I don't know. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys want to sign up to get a Target beauty box, I will have a link down below, but make sure you do it ASAP because they do sell out. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. I did like a one-handed wave and then this guy